Okay, so I'm making this quick video to make sure that things are clear about what you are to do for your homework tonight. So I told you all today, I showed you this at the end of class, and I said in the summary, it asked for your observations. Your observations are over here to the side, observations. Okay, and then it says based on what you see that's linear and what you see that is nonlinear, what is making these equations right here, nonlinear? What is making these linear? It's almost like the lesson we did with functions and non-functions. Something is happening here that says, oh, you are going to be linear because you appear like this. And then something is happening over here and says, hey, because you appear like this, you all are non-linear. That is what you're supposed to be doing. And so you're supposed to then write down what linear equations consist of. So those are the observations that I'm asking you to make. Based on those observations, you go into the sort and you say, hey, based on my observations I had, blah, 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 my observations, I should now be able to look at an equation and say if it's linear or nonlinear based on my observations. I saw that I graphed all of these. All of these became linear, meaning they formed a straight line. All of these did not form a straight line. So now I should be able to look in this table here and write linear or nonlinear. Hey, I know this is linear based off of blah, 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 blah. Or, hey, I know this is nonlinear based off of my observations that I wrote down here. That is what you're supposed to be doing for your homework. That is how you do your homework. That is how you finish this lesson. You are to look here and say, hey, all these have in common. Here, hey, all these have in common. It is not the surface area. It is not something on the surface. Look, y'all, what's visually represented before you. Okay? That is where you start. What is visible before you. All right, that's your lesson, and that's what I want you to do. Have a great and wonderful life. Oh, I almost forgot my little signature. It's not little. I said little, trying to play myself. It's been great. This is Mr. O'Neill. I'm signing off. Bye.